Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to share some new or amazing designs of kitchen cabinets which looking so unique or latest designs and the kitchen decor ideas. In this video we have some great color combinations which other things to use to make your homes or kitchen more beautiful or amazing, and I hope you like it. So let's enjoy the video and watch till end. It's all are beautiful or latest trend of 2023 and which makes your home more beautiful. So make sure to subscribe our channel to see more videos like that. So if you are not subscribed, first of all make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching our video. Until the next video, goodbye.